welcome back to the channel, guys. We are at the last part of the ultimatemedium.com course, part 30 of 30, and the last part is about why keeping an objective of writing 365 medium.com stories in 1 year is the best route to success. My friends, people are talking about, big medium writers are always talking about how to deal with writer block, and the reason why they are talking about dealing with the writer block issue is because the main objective of every medium writer should be, smart medium writer should be, that they are in it for the long term game and they are willing to write even 365 medium stories, medium articles in 1 year. This means every day they post a medium story, every day they post one medium story, my friends. There are many writers or medium that post 2 stories per day and for a long period of time, my friends. Thing is that why is this strategy so important? Well, I have to tell you this, my friends. I have a YouTube channel with 985 videos. However, people have low attention span mindset on YouTube. When they watch one of your videos, they won't be watching your catalog, uh, of other videos. They will go somewhere else, and they won't binge watch all of your videos unless somehow your videos are very engaging. They will only watch all of your videos then. Otherwise, they won't be doing it. On Medium, this is not the case, my friends. When a genuine interested reader comes to your Medium profile or comes to your Medium story, they want to read your other Medium stories as well. And if they find a huge catalog of Medium stories, this means that an average traffic source, from wherever he or she comes, will be reading 5 or 6 of your Medium stories minimum after one visit to any of your Medium story. This will be boosting your views, your read time, everything, boosting all the stats for you, my friends. And it's important to have this library, my friends, library of content on Medium. It is very important. I think I have got 180 to 200 Medium stories published in 2.5+ years. I joined in July 2020, and I'm also lacking in this department, my friends. I'm also lacking in this department. I don't have a huge library of Medium stories. So, my friends, after coming all the way through this course, my friends, this is my final advice to you, that to keep this in your mind, that this is a long term game and you have to write 365 stories minimum in 1 year, my friends, and you will see success knocking on your door, my friends. Medium is a huge platform with success coming in the form of sponsorships, coming in the form of freelancing gigs, opportunities, like becoming an editor for companies, huge companies. They are looking for editors, and they will pick someone might be picking you. Someone might be knocking at your door for coaching them or helping them writing. Someone might be knocking at your door for guest blogging for them. Someone might be knocking at your door for you to sell your Medium stories, sell them with permission for them to reuse, and licenses, giving out licenses to other people to reuse your content, and they will be paying you not in cents or dollars. They will be paying over $200 to $2,000 for this, my friends. So this is massive, my friends. This is extremely massive, my friends. One last thing I might add, my friends, is that I am on another platform. It's called PublishOx, my friends. And when I post my Medium stories on Medium, I come over here and post it on PublishOx as well, with a canonical link, of course. So I'm making money from Medium as well as on PublishOx. On PublishOx, not that much. My lifetime revenue is just over $8 over here. But I'm planning to move to Vocal Media and import my Medium stories to Vocal Media. So this is a good idea, good plan for me, my friends. Thanks for staying with me for the 30 parts the ultimatemedium.com course. I hope you liked and enjoyed it. Please give me your valuable feedback on this course, and um, I would love to know your thoughts about it. There are links in the description box, the membership referral link. If you want to join the Medium membership, just use my referral link, it will help me a lot. Also, subscribe to my email list on Medium. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, press the bell notification, because I'm not done with Medium, my friends. I'll be continuously creating new content, new ways, uh, Medium related guides in the future as well. Happy 2023, my friends. Take care. I'll be signing off.